Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to add an account in YouTube Kids. To add an account in YouTube Kids, open the YouTube Kids app on your device first. Now from the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Enter your parental code or solve a simple math problem to access the settings menu. Once you end up in the settings page, go ahead and tap on Add New under My Kids. Now enter your Google account's password to add a kid, and on the next page, go ahead and create a profile for your kid. Enter the child's first name, their age, their birth month, and you can also choose an avatar for your kid. Once you are done, you can tap on the next arrow at the bottom right, and you can then go ahead and select the content setting for your kid. You can choose it according to the age of the kid, or you can also approve content yourself by tapping Approve Content Yourself and select the contents that your child can watch. Simply select the contents you'd like to add to the child's library, tap the plus button, and this will approve the content. And that way you can also manually approve the contents for your kid and tap Done. Now the profile has now been created. You can now switch between your kid's profile and your child can start watching now. So that is how you easily add a new account in YouTube Kids. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more YouTube Kids tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.